Hello, I'm Surya. I'm handling computer science 11 and 12 for last 4 years. I received Oswaal sample copy of computer science for Python subject-wise material. It was very helpful. I gave it to my students as well, and they also found it so helpful. The questions and the types of topics what they have covered, and especially the mind maps were so beautiful, so beautifully presented. Like this is the first year we are teaching Python to them, so now that book gave us a clear idea of like what type of questions to expect in the board. What I would flaws in the book is no, like as of such not very big flaws, but now Django part there was a module called Beautiful Soup which was included, but now in actual syllabus we don't have Beautiful Soup. And then the output finding questions and error finding questions and revision of class 12, that was the best part, as well as data file handling part was also very good. And then the last chapter, society law and ethics, and very beautifully presented. That chapter was very good. Like children more than Sumita Arora book, they find the content in this book much easier. Thank you. And done. Thank you.